So from Giraffe Tools, the cheapest pressure washer at $269 and the most expensive one at $99, there's a big difference. There's pros and cons. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Because I know there's been rumors online that this machine needs more than 15 amp, so you'll soon find out. 2 pressure washers, 1 mission. Make your detailing life easier. But which of the Giraffe tool is actually built for you? We're gonna soon find out. I know that you love the specs for pressure washers, the PSI, the GPM, all that, but here's the truth. There's the advertised specs, there's the max flow and max PSI, and also the rated PSI and flow. So in this video, I'm gonna find out the real performance of those machines, the real world specs, and there's a lot more that goes into choosing the right pressure washer for you than just looking at its specs. So in this video, I'm gonna find out everything that you need to know about those 2 Giraffe tool pressure washers. By the way, with that, subscribe to the channel would be greatly appreciated. By the way, my friends, this video is sponsored by Giraffe Tools. They did send me the 2 pressure washers, the G20 as well as the UltraFlow, for me to test and compare and give you my honest review on them. The Giraffe Tools Grand Fall series is built to make your detailing life auto-organized. Everything that you need in one slick package. The integrated hose reels, the foam cannon, the accessories, and the wall mount. So I'll have the links down below for you guys to check it out. You can also find a discount there. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Here is your new Giraffe Tools UltraFlow, the new machine on the market, promising the best performance in their lineup. It comes with a triplex pump, a brushless motor, a 50-foot hose reel, which is again is the highest quality as far as their pressure washer offering. So right off the bat, you can feel the quality, the stiffness, the flexibility of that hose. It comes with everything that you need. Your power button is here. Your accessories, your nozzle are plugged up front. So as soon as you release the trigger, this machine is gonna stop by itself. And this machine is serviceable. You can change the oil in it after 50 hours. This machine is rated for 1,000 hours of work. It comes with a 3-year warranty for the homeowner and 1-year warranty for the commercial use. This whole frame is powder coated. It's durable, it's made to last. You have 2 nice handles here to carry around. So keep in mind, this machine is made to be wall mounted or ground mounted. So for me, this machine can be placed anywhere. I like to have my machine somewhere in the corner. You could have this in your truck or pretty much anywhere near your water source. And then it's ready to be plugged in and ready to go. So around 70 pounds, this machine you can pull on the reel and it's not gonna budge. It's very stout and the reel is smooth. So you'll soon find out the sound of this machine. A brushless motor doesn't sound like the induction or the universal motor. This machine is rated for 2.2 GPM and 1950 PSI, which is pretty good. So these rated specs can actually rival with the best pressure washers for car detailing. The rated specs should be close to what you're gonna get in real life. So we're gonna soon find that out. First up, we've got our water source inlet here. You can screw that in. You have your oil screen here. The oil plug is right on top here. So another thing that was super important for me is to test the UltraFlow with a 15 amp circuit. So you guys already know I have the 20 amp, but in this wall right here, it's the regular typical 15 amp. So we're gonna test it out because I know there's been rumors online that this machine needs more than 15 amp. So you'll soon find out. So for the UltraFlow, you're gonna get that wall mount here with your self-tapping screws. That all comes in the kit. The Giraffe Grand Falls G20 is your typical DIYer homeowner that wants a plug and play type of machine. It comes with the integrated hose reel here. Super quiet. Very easy to reel back in. There's actually 2 offerings for this. You can get the black or the gray. You actually get a template to to hook your machine on the wall. And the G20 also have one of those very convenient 180 degrees swivel hook. You just pull on that pin here and it clicks right in place. The smaller and cheaper G20 is actually lighter in weight and it has a universal motor. You're gonna notice the difference when it comes to the sound. By the way, at the time of this recording, the G20 is at $269 USD or $349 Canadian dollars. And as far as the UltraFlow is concerned, this one is $999 and it's coming soon to Canada. But keep in mind, this is a professional machine, so you have to expect more quality, but also comes with a higher price. So the G20, like I mentioned, it's a universal motor, which makes for a much lighter machine. This one is at 40 pounds or so. The G20 comes with everything that you need. Like I said, you should wall mount this. Even under pressure, it still reels easily. For the G20, let me show you the rinsing ability and some of the sound of that motor. To find out the real GPM, I'm gonna use my trusty scale. We're gonna zero it out and hold. Then fill this bucket for 1 minute and find out, like I said, the real world GPM. 1, 2, 3. $39 and 85 mLs, 1.05 gallons per minute. That's the stock nozzle on the G20. So the G20 is really built to make pressure. As you've seen, 1500 PSI with the stock nozzle. I tried a few other nozzles here from what I have in my garage. So this is why we're getting a slightly lower GPM, but you could fine tune that nozzle. The 3.0 would not work. So maybe a 2.5 orifice for the nozzle, maybe you would get to that 1.4, 1.5 GPM. And with that said, let's try the foam cannon provided again on the kit. I have soap here at 1 to 10. The foam knob is at maximum. Let's test it out on my, whoa! Oh, actually quite good foam. Wow, really impressed from that tiny foam cannon and that low GPM machine. Super impressed, guys. It all comes in the kit, so keep that in mind. It's not an aftermarket high-end foam cannon. It's just a basic one that is provided in your kit. So if you just wash your car casually, this whole kit is perfect. Water is connected. Let's start that baby up. Good sound. Oh, it's got some power. I'm gonna measure our amount of water to find out our real gallons per minute using the Giraffe Tools UltraFlow on a 15 amp regular outlet. So that's with the provided nozzle. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 77.25 ml for 1 minute, which makes 2.04 US gallon. That's with the provided nozzle, okay? So these nozzles are made to give you a little bit more pressure. So now I'm gonna try this with the 4.5 orifice nozzle. 1, 2, 3. One minute exactly, 2.09. So with the provided nozzle around 1050, 1100 PSI with 2.04 gallons, and with the 4.5, 2.09 gallons and around 850 PSI. So I reckon that you should use the provided nozzle to get the best balance of performance. When you try the foam cannon, I've got it diluted at 1 to 10. So this is a quick connection at the end of your gun. You just pull on it and it plugs right in. Wow! For a stock foam cannon, that's really, really good. It's a good balance of runny and thick foam. Very acceptable for me. Great rinsing ability. This thing works like a charm. So both from Giraffe Tools, $269, $999, the cheapest, the most expensive. There's a big gap, guys, in terms of performance for sure. I've been really enjoying using this at the pro level. The hose reel is very high quality. It's very convenient to just pull on your reel and start working, right? The pressure from this is impressive. The gallons per minute for the rinsing ability and the efficiency during your wash is incredible. So I'm really impressed with that. Total stop system is great. The sound of that unique motor, which is a brushless motor, also is very interesting. It's different from what I've seen before. I really enjoyed this. And did it work on 15 amp? Yes, it does work on 15 amp. My circuit here and my panel are nothing special. This machine is confirmed to work on 15 amp. I asked directly before they sent me the machine, I asked them, is it gonna work on 15 amp or not? Because I've seen rumors out there that this would require a 20 amp. So there's no need for me to pull out a meter and to find out. I just have the proof here. I've been showing you guys, but I've been also testing this behind the scenes. Also with aftermarket hose, guns from Canon, and he's never tripped a breaker for me. Slightly over 2 gallons per minute with really high pressure. I was at 1100 PSI for this. So at $269, you cannot expect to have the same performance, the same hose. This one, I'd say it's more for the DIYers, the homeowner, like I said earlier in the video, that wash his car in a casual way, just for fun, once in a while, that is not really a detailing enthusiast, and also wants an all-in-one solution, plug and play, swivel bracket at the back, fix it on the wall, set it and forget it. I'm not at all concerned with this hose or the reel. As long as you don't drop this on the ground, this should last you a very long time, being a universal motor. Keep in mind, universal motors are not built to last 1,000 hours like this one. For me, this specs is right on the money for car detailing, pressure washing, cars and pro detailers alike. So with that being said, my friends, I want to thank Giraffe Tools once again. Thank you so much for helping us create. And with that said, don't forget to check out the links and the discount code below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.